60 minutes on the clock. What are we doing? We're going on a fucking adventure. That's what we're doing. We're sculpting. We're starting off with a base mesh, and we're just gonna go as fast as we can. We're doing the fastest scribbles in the motherfucking West. Right now, we're just laying out the muscle fibers, getting all the muscle anatomy in their correct places, and it, you know, they gotta go where they gotta go. And I have a plan. I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not so sure what I'm looking for, but I know it's not human. So I'm just gonna kind of scribble on his face until something looks good. So maybe like this. I don't know yet. You should never, and I repeat, never start something without a plan. I meticulously put places and things into places. Gills in the ribcage. My chat offered me some of the most fantastic ideas. We're doing some gills, and it turned out wonderfully. Now, this was some of the most intense sculpting I've ever done in my entire life. But we made it through, and eventually there was an intruder in the stream. Interesting. I have a gnat. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. There we go. Okay, I was using the wrong buttons. I'll do, we'll mirror it on the x-axis, mirror it to this guy. There we go. How does that look? Unhappy. I love it. It's great. We get to fuck with it. So then we'll do something like this, and I just want to something like that. There you go. all right, and then this is not the plan. I was wanting to make all right. We have to be serious here because we're on a time limit. Get it the fuck together, Chell. We have a time limit and it's quickly running out. What even would a fishman look like? What kind of details would a fishman have on his body if he were to be a man of fish? Well, what would that be? Where would he go? Where does he live? What does he do? What does he do with his spare time? Does he just do fish things like gobbling up rocks and like swimming? Does he do that? I don't fucking know. But we're getting distracted here. It doesn't matter what he does. It matters what he looks like because we're just sculpting him. So are we gonna? Sometimes you gotta scribble your heart out until it reveals itself. The sculpture has to reveal itself, and this is how the sculpture has shown itself to me, and we're taking this as seriously as we possibly can. Weird fish man. I keep forgetting what he looks like because this is horrible. His butt cheeks should be more clenched. I mean, fucking why not, dude? Why the fuck not? We'll do... Yep, you're right. That's a great idea. Just some clenched butt cheeks. And so then we'll do something like that. Oh, this is amazing. This is such a good idea. Thank you. How clenched should it be? And then maybe we should bulge it out a little bit. Do you think TikTok will take this video down? I have no idea. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. So that's perfect. That's gorgeous. Someone mentioned that he should have a spiky spine on his back, and that's what we did, and it's fucking awesome. And then we did all the final touches, and we gave him some like really important features. We just stretched some stuff out. We only have 2 minutes here, and so we're really making sure we take advantage. Maybe something like that. Push it in. Okay, so then maybe we'll do that. Yeah, I think that's necessary. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Now to finalize everything, we had to give it some textures, and this I didn't consider this a part of the fucking sculpture part of it, so it's after the fact. It's after the 60 minutes are over, and we're giving it some textures that way we can finalize this sculpture and make it look like it's supposed to look like. We're doing some stuff with the textures. I have this procedural texture, and I'm so happy with it. I always go back to it, and it's one of my favorites. And this is what it fucking looks like. So I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. It's really goofy looking, but we had a lot of fun, and I think it was really good practice. One of my biggest struggles for a long time was trying to make alien-like detail, and so I think I fucking accomplished that. So I hope to see you on my next live, and thank you for watching my video.